it's Noe and
me, Kailey.
And today we're going to be making the chocolate slime from Original Stationery, which is the kit, the Ultimate Slime Kit. So let's get to it. What you need is 40 millimeters of the clear glue, and we already have that poured out. And then we need borax, but we're going to put this to the side until we need it. And now we're going to add a little bit of the chocolate paint. This actually looks like a little, like chocolate pens. Yeah, or like a little, and it smells like chocolate fudge. We're just gonna, and then can you mix that for me?
Yeah.
Here, okay. And this slime is very sticky, so you need to add a little more of borax to it when you're making the slime.
Look, it looks like melted chocolate.
That's really cool, like when you put the chocolate in the microwave to make the strawberries. Okay, and now we're gonna add scent. Make sure you're getting the very bottom too, because they're so clear glue. Yes, so this slime can be very sticky, so just don't get frustrated when you're mixing it because you need to add a little bit more borax because it can be sticky.
Yeah.
Okay, grab the borax. Okay, and we need to mix very well. So can you add the borax for me?
Yes.
That's good. And you've got to mix for quite a bit. It looks so weird right now, and I can tell, yeah, it is very sticky because it's so watery from the paint and the scent. So you gotta mix it very well. Can I have a little bit more? Because you can see that there's still a lot. Squirt. Just every time you do that, say squirt. Okay. Oh no. Okay. Seems like it's done. It looks like when you go to the place. Have you ever seen people make fudge where they're like pushing it back and forth on the slab? It's really cool. It kind of looks like when they pour it on there.
Oh my gosh.
Okay, we need more activator because this is very sticky.
You know what I'm gonna say?
What? Oh, yep. Okay, ready? Squirt. Oh, it went everywhere. Ah! Okay, here, Kailey. Clean up, clean up. Okay, try not to get close to the slime.
Yeah.
Here we go, and we're probably gonna need some more activator, I'm pretty sure. Because it is pretty sticky. Okay.
Squirt, squirt, squirt. There we go. Squirt, squirt.
Okay, it's finally coming together. Wait. Okay, do you want to mix it?
Yeah.
I like to get my hands off.
It's actually not so sticky.
Oh, because I mixed it. Oh, thank you. I will. Yeah, just clean it up the table. Yeah, I'll get that. But
Yeah.
here, clean that up with the slime. Yep, all this, and then this right here too. Okay. Oh my gosh. Okay, now that we're all done, we're gonna put it in one of our containers. It is very shiny, right? Like a glossy. Ooh, it broke. Okay, let's see. Let's put it like a little wishbone. So you pull the slime, and whoever's side breaks, like the farthest. Uh-oh, let's see.
Going over.
Pull fast now. Oh, it was mine. You won. Okay, so let's put it in.
Extra.
There you go. And we need a lid. Here, there. Okay, so that is our chocolate bar slime. Thank you guys so much for watching, and make sure you like down below. We see you guys later. Bye!